This property tour is going to blow you away. I'm Tish Schoberg, your local Hamilton, Ontario realtor, and today we're touring the Harrison Model Home for the new community of homes in Hamilton, Ontario. So in this video, I'll be providing value by sharing resources and information on this new home community, this builder, and of course, this particular home. If you're looking to buy a home in Hamilton, the GTA, or surrounding areas, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. I also provide help with listing your home. So if you are looking to sell your home, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you can be updated with all things Hamilton. Now let's get into this tour. So again, guys, this is the Harrison Model Elevation B, and just look at the stunning kitchen. Like, just breathtaking. And the thing that I love about model homes is that the builder truly stages it and includes all these upgrades to make sure that you're really envisioning yourself living there. And this builder really did an excellent job of capturing that. I also love the layout and how open it is. So this particular home is a 33-foot frontage detached home that's 2,434 square feet. This community actually does have townhouses and detached homes. So there's 33-foot frontage homes and also 36-foot frontage homes. Pricing for the town start from 700s and for the detached start from 800. So it's really competitively priced. So you have a fireplace, you have pot lights, you have coppered ceiling in this particular model home, which is just so stunning and really helps to provide warmth and really provide that modern feel and features that really just help to elevate the look of your home. And I love that they included a backyard example because I think that's so important when buying a new build because sometimes it's really hard to envision the size of your backyard. And I think this is a really generous size. And since this is a new build, you actually have the time to save up for your down payment and pay the builder in small installments while customizing the exact feel and look of your home. So this builder actually has homes that are closing this year, but also has homes that are closing next year. So lots of flexibility there. And the deposit structure also varies. So they have a 5% deposit structure, or you can go with the monthly deposit structure. So a lot of flexibility, which makes it just so much more affordable than your typical new build. I just can't get enough of this kitchen. Like, I love white cabinetry and I love just everything about that kitchen. But anyways, let's move on to the upstairs portion of the home because that is just as breathtaking. And I can't wait to just show you all the incredible rooms and features of this home. Loving that chandelier light fixture. Again, another upgrade or something that you could include post-closing. So don't feel compelled to include everything in your decor appointment. Like you can include the basics, the structural upgrades you want. By the way, this is the first room. Perfect nursery. Oh my God. But yeah, don't feel compelled to include every single upgrade and feature that you want in your home at your decor appointment. You can definitely upgrade later on post closing. And just be mindful that certain upgrades post closing may void your tiered warranty. So you want to ideally just include those upgrades that are not going to do that. So of course, a trusty realtor like myself could guide you through that process. And here's another incredible room, loving the windows. Like, I honestly call these windows glass houses because there's just so much windows and natural light that you get. And just imagine the cost savings from actually not having to turn on your light because of all the natural light that's being let in by these large windows. Just stunning. And I'm loving how there is so much space for clothes and shoes with these closets. It's just absolutely incredible. By the way, guys, this is Hamilton's best-selling new home master plan community. This builder has been just hitting record sales in this type of market, which is just insane. Like there's just been a lot of demand and interest for this project. And Some of the incentives that they are including include closing costs being capped at 10,000, which is just insane. Like being able to just know that your closing cost is capped and can't be extended or increased unexpectedly is just such a huge load off your back because you have enough expenses in buying a home. So being able to have cap closing costs is a huge win. They're also providing up to 10K in decor dollars. So lots of upgrades that you can include there. And look at this, guys. You have laundry on the second level. How many moms can relate? Or and dads, right? Dads do laundry too. I can't forget the dads. But how many moms and dads can relate to just not wanting to put the laundry on the basement or the main level? Like it's just such a headache. So even for myself, like when I built my new home, which we recently closed on, we made sure to tell the builder that we wanted our laundry on the second level. Like I'm not tugging laundry to the basement anymore because that's what we did in our old house. So this is the primary bedroom, and you have those two large, incredible windows. You have the stunning, spacious space. You, of course, have your walk-in closet and primary bedroom. There is popcorn ceiling on the second level, but you can upgrade to have that removed, which is incredible. And as we make our way through this primary bedroom, we're going to head over to the primary bathroom. You have a large soaker tub. I'm just loving the gold finishes. I think it adds such a classy, modern feel. And this is the sink area. So again, undermount sinks is a upgrade that you can add. Loving the marble in the shower. I think that's just so amazing. Now let's talk about the area. So you do have quick access to Freshco, Sobeys, No Frills, all within 15 minutes. You also have both a Catholic and public school within 5 minutes from here. You also have quick highway access to the Lincoln Parkway, which brings you to Highway 403, 407, and QEW, as well as the Red Hill Valley Parkway that brings you to the QEW. And so there's a lot to love about this new home community, guys. To book a tour or to get more information on this home or any home in Hamilton, reach out. I'd love to help.